things to know. Countries around the world. Today we're going to be learning about Japan. Japan is in the continent Asia. The capital of Japan is Tokyo, and the language people speak in Japan is Japanese. Konnichiwa! The currency of Japan is Japanese yen. Some famous people are Satoru, the founder of Nintendo, and Marie Kondo. Some tourist attractions of Japan are the Golden Pavilion Temple and Mount Fuji. Some other tourist attractions are Tokyo Tower and Jigo Kuandi Monkey Park. One famous food of Japan is sushi. What is Japan famous for? Buddhist temples, calligraphy and origami, samurai ninjas and bullet trains, cherry blossom, and comics and cartoons called as manga and anime. Now it's time for the quiz. Can you guess the correct flag? You have 3 seconds. 2, 1. This flag is the correct one. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Bye!